Are you looking for to register or sign up in Love Island USA app? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily create your account on Love Island USA app. First thing first, move into your application Love Island USA. Once the page loads, it will land you on this home page. If you want to create or register your account, then all you gotta do is head over to Vote at the bottom of the screen. In this page, you will be able to see Register. Click on it. Now, in order for you to register, all you gotta do is enter your country code and then enter the phone number. Once you've entered the phone number, you have to click on Send SMS. You will receive one verification code on your number that you have entered. Copy that code and paste it in the section that you are asked to. After that, follow the on-screen process and then your Love Island USA account will be registered. And then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.